Hey guys, how's it going? So a few days ago, Supercheap Auto, I requested a whole lot of stuff they send me, and they have sent me all this gear for free and for review effectively. So I'm just gonna put all my Makita stuff to the side. That's the normal tools that I use, Makita, for the power tools anyway, and I'm going to put those aside and I'm going to give these guys a go. These are ToolPro 18 volt line. So we've got their hammer drill here, I don't think this one's brushless, it's the impact driver, and then the brushless impact wrench 1/2 inch, and a brushless angle grinder there with the batteries, as you see there. And they've also sent me the chargers as well. So this is a toolbox, the Automotive toolkit that ToolPro does again. I'm going to put that to good use. I'm going to use it. I already have socket sets from ToolPro and I already like them anyway, so yeah, I can start off saying that I like ToolPro's socket stuff and ratchets and all that. Also, I think it's a 35 litre vacuum, wet and dry vacuum. Pretty keen to see what that's like. Haven't used one of those in the past ever, so keen to try that out. So right off the bat, guys, I think I'm not going to say too much about them because I haven't used them at all yet really, but they feel pretty nice. You know, they don't feel cheap. They are reasonably priced. You know, they're not expensive tools, but I'm going to be honest about what I think of these after I've given them a go. And yeah, I haven't been instructed to say any specific things from Supercheap, so literally they've sent me them to review, so I'm going to do that and I'm going to tell you what I really think. Yeah, and sort of my personal thoughts on what they're like compared to Makita, is because that's just what I use and that's what I've bought and used to. So yeah, stay tuned for a whole lot of videos about each individual product in the future. But yeah, I'm going to definitely give them a fair go, and I'm actually going to use these tools, so stay tuned for that. Just to add something there, guys, real quick, I'm going to put all the full product names and the prices of all these bits and pieces in the description below, so check that out if you want to know that. Cheers.